Good, beautiful morning, people. We have got a secret, and I want you to know about it. We have got a trailer on the Bronco, and we're going to get something. A little something. Found it right in our backyard. It's probably gonna stay in our backyard. I don't know what we're gonna do with it yet, but we're gonna go look at it. It's too good not to look at. So, jump on in the Bronco here with us, and let's go get a little something. When you're road tripping, you gotta have proper snackage. I picked a burrito. We stopped at Adventure's first stop. It's not a paid advertisement, but Maverick is the place to be. What kind of road snacks do you get? I mean, it's early in the morning, so a burrito for breakfast is awesome. I got some energy go-go juice too. It's healthy. But tell us what you snack on when you adventure. We're going to get a thing. Bronco. We're just getting into pre-collision assist sensor block. Darn winch. We're just getting in the is this Ogden?
No, it's a clear field.
Clear field. There ain't no fields. It's because they cleared them and put buildings here. We took the official potty break. These little things back here, you know, they gotta you do the thing. So now we're just super excited. I'll tell you what we're picking up. Monica, what are we getting?
Another Early Bronco.
Body. Just the body.
A nice Early Bronco body.
Nice is the key word here. It's way better than Rusty. We read you guys' comments. We want early Bronco footage. Well, it's coming to you now. All right?
There we go.
This Bronco body, it was a rock crawler, and we're going to name it Carl. Because Carl is the owner of this Bronco body for about the next 30 minutes. Once we pick this thing up, we're going to give you a full walkthrough. There's like, from the pictures, no rust. But, you know, we're going to figure this out. It's in bare metal, and it's on a body dolly stand thing. Could be homemade, that's perfectly fine by us. In Rusty's body, it's out of here. You're garbage, bud. We won't throw it away because I hoard things, okay?
He's a hoarder. We're
still going to fix it, but at some point in life, not right now in life, all right? I need to get over. Coming over. But, this is going to be awesome. It's going to look so good cruising down the highway in a 6th-gen Bronco with an early Bronco in tow. So, let's get to where we're going and get this thing picked up. Another Bronco! There's another Bronco coming right at us. Hi, friend!
Nope.
They don't wave. Wave to your Bronco people, all right? Let's go get this Bronco body. It's rough, but it's not rotted rough, so that's nice. I was thinking we can just scooch trailers, you know.
Pit stop for some tie downs.
Pit stop
At the Lowe's.
like Luigi dude or whatever his name is on cars. Get out of here, ratchet strap.
Look at that. Would you just look at that?
Activate your account.
So we're back at the Maverick.
Once you're
Gotta make this thing be quiet. Stop talking to me. It's not gonna stop. We got early Bronco in tow. I told you we had something in store. Check this out. Thing's rough, not a show car. Do we keep it this way? I don't know, but we got it strapped on there. An early Bronco in tow with a 6G. That's awesome. It looks like we know what we're doing. We don't. We have no clue, by the way. It's definitely not been loved on. You can see that this is like bent. That's fine. You don't worry about that. This thing just might stay a rock crawler. Update on the name. We were gonna keep it, you know, named Carl, because that's the previous owner's name. Well, his wife hated this Bronco so much. Hated is a light term. She loved it enough. She called it Christine. So this is Project Christine. She's dirty, rough, ignorant. How do you want to word it? I don't know, but she exists, and we love her for that. It looks so cool. We got doors, tailgate. We even got all sorts of parts in our now squatted 6G Bronco. But this is gonna be an awesome little road trip home. We got this thing for a deal, all right? It's gonna be awesome. Look at that. Bronco on Bronco action. Christine. So we still got an early Bronco back there. We made it back into town, and we're just trying to figure out, what do we do with this thing? What? I mean, we got it for a dance and a deal. Are you happy with your purchase?
I think it's great, but I don't know what I'm looking at either.
We're looking at vintage metal. It's bad. Christine's off.
It's not that bad.
It's fine.